Students, you may see the format, how you have to write, you have to use the left hand margin, how you have to put the date. Let's have a look. You may see how I have put the salutation towards the end of this letter. You'll have to follow the left hand margin as discussed here. In the next letter, you may see the question there, then you may see the spacing, line spacing, you may see the date, and you may see how subject is written and how the letter is written. The first paragraph, then the main body, which is the longer one, the next paragraph, which is the concluding paragraph, and then the salutation again towards the end. Let's come to the next letter. You may see here, again, I'm just showing this to you so that you may follow the perfect format. This is the true format and the format which you have to follow during your final examination of English core. Again, I'm going to turn over the next page and you may see how you have to use the letters, right? Then again you may see here how you have to put the address, the date, and again the address, and then you have to use the paragraphs. You may see in almost all the letters that there are 3 paragraphs. The length of the first and the last paragraph is equal, but the length of the middle paragraph is longer. You may see the salutation in almost all the letters. So this is the informal letter, how you have to write it. Let's check it out one by one. I'm going to show you this, that how you have to write the letter. This is the way. Again, I'm showing you from the first page and I'll move to the last page. First of all, you will have to see the question. This is the question. If you are able to see, you may read it. Then you may see the date, how I have put the date there. The first 3 lines, you may see the gap of 1 line. Then the date, again you have to leave 1 line and then you have to put the date. Okay, the address of the editor. Again, you may see the first paragraph. The subject, after the subject, you have to write the first paragraph. Let me show you. The first paragraph, then you see the length of the second paragraph. You may assess, you may infer, you may analyze, you may observe the length of the second paragraph, that it's longer than the first, and see the last paragraph. See its length. Then you have to write like this, okay? Come to the next letter, see the question. This is the question, and all these questions are there which we had discussed in the last classes. Okay, now see the address line, how you have to put the address, how you have to put the date, then you have to put the address of the editor. Then see the subject line, then you have to write the first paragraph. Then you can see the second paragraph, which is not ending here. This is the length of the second paragraph, right? And after this, you may find the last paragraph, which is the concluding paragraph, and then thanking you, yours faithfully, Ravi Kumar. You can find it there right now on your screen. Now see this one. This is the letter. Again, you may see the date. You may find the uniformity of date. Right? Everywhere you may find the symmetry. Dates are put in symmetry, the address are put in symmetry. There is no variation at any one of the places, right? After that, you may find the subject, then you may find the first paragraph, again you may find the second paragraph, which is the longer one, and then you will find the concluding paragraph. See this concluding paragraph, which is smaller than the second paragraph, right? And then you have to write this one. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Ravi Kumar. This is how you have to follow the format. Keep on looking at this, and you may have seen that I have not written a single word towards the right hand side, not the address. See, the address is towards the left hand side. Again, the salutation towards the end. Let me show you this. Again, this is towards the left hand side and not towards the right hand side. So you have to follow this format. You have to be very, very particular regarding the format. Otherwise, you will not be able to score good marks in later writing. Are you getting the point? So you have to follow these rules. I have shown you the specimen of so many letters, and all these letters have been discussed with you in the last 3-4 classes. You may check it out on your own. Thank you very much.